All right, folks, it's cameraman. We got stuntman behind the wheel as usual. This is the problem. We have no reverse in this Jetta. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna rip hole shots till the clutch blows or something happens. We'll see what happens. Let's go, stuntman! What a shame. Wow! What a fucking shame. He's gonna come back. He's gonna come back down the one way. It's a one-way stunt. Civilian. Yikes. I'm getting dizzy. Holy shit, I'm really getting dizzy. All right, one more time around, the one way. He curbed it, folks, and he blew the tire. Go ahead, stuntman! What doesn't he get about this one way? Fucking one way.
I can't stop!
It's a one-way stunt, man. He already blew the car. Watch the jump pack. All right, I think it's time to get out of here. We're getting out of Dodge, stuntman. Like, comment, subscribe, everyone. We ain't fucking around. Up, it ain't over. Stuntman does not understand.
Come on! Watch it come up, everybody! Watch it!
We gotta get the fuck out of here. He doesn't understand that. Good job, stuntman.
Come on, from this side. Watch the knee. Watch.
We're out of here. Like, comment, subscribe. Stuntman's bringing it back on a flat. See that right rear? Another night in Brooklyn, folks. Stuntman lost his phone amongst all this confusion. Hold on. We're not gonna let a car with no reverse get in the way of the fun and festivities, folks. Hit the like button. Subscribe. You ain't seen nothing yet.